Bass so sneaky it should be illegal. Kicker HS10 powered sub. Small box, savage boom. Let's face it, stock car audio sucks. You know it, we know it, your ears definitely know it. That hollow, underwhelming thud your system calls bass is a sad excuse for sound. You want that deep, floor-rattling oomph without sacrificing your trunk space or your dignity. But every time you crank it, your ride just wheezes like a busted Bluetooth speaker from 2009. You've tried fiddling with settings, EQs, and random upgrades, but nothing ever really hits. It's frustrating. It's embarrassing. It's a vibe killer. And in the world of real bass, you're tired of being the punchline. Now crank that frustration to 11, because here come the missed beats. The road trips that fall flat. The late night drives with all treble and no soul. And don't even start on trying to install those bulky, back-breaking sub-boxes, either they don't fit, or they turn your ride into a junkyard science project. You're losing time, money, patience, and most importantly, vibes. It's not just about better bass anymore. It's about respect. Your playlists deserve to thump, not whisper. And every mile with mid-tier sound feels like punishment. Enough is enough. Enter the Kicker 46 HS10 Hideaway, a compact, all-aluminum beast with a 10-inch powered sub that slaps harder than your ex's passive-aggressive texts. This isn't your grandma's speaker box. It's engineered to crush expectations, not space. Thanks to FIT Plus technology, it talks nice with nearly any head unit, OEM or aftermarket. With auto turn-on options, adjustable crossover, a plus 6 decibels bass boost, and a remote that lets you dial in your bump without touching the volume knob, it's plug-and-play power that hits below the belt, in the best way. Built to hide. Designed to dominate. Your audio system deserves more than just a Band-Aid. The Kicker HS10 is the performance upgrade your car's been begging for: loud, clean, compact, and ridiculously easy to install. No complicated wiring rituals. No expensive converters. Just one slick unit, a Molex plug, and instant boom. From EDM to trap to cinematic soundtracks, this subwoofer delivers balanced, low-frequency precision with zero distortion and max punch. Ready to feel every beat in your chest instead of your soul crying quietly? Yup, this is your sign. Don't wait for your ears to stage a rebellion. Give your car the boom it deserves. Slide the Kicker HS10 into your cart now and turn weak bass into a distant, muffled memory. Compact size. Monster sound. Zero hassle. Grab it today, and let your bass do the talking.